There, mouth. Big mouth. Big mouth. Cut her.
Well, tonight I'm not going to do anything.
Cut her. Cut her. Hey, big mouth. What's life like in a cage? Yeah, you're penned up. Yeah, the big mouth of the family, aren't you? Yeah, you're the big mouth of the family, huh? Yeah. Hey, back up. Was Santa Claus good to you? Yeah, it looks that way, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. What the hell's that?
Exercise with Dave.
Exercise with Dave.
You want extra hands? You gotta exercise hands.
Upside down, chocolate.
I'm in a size 6 now.
You'd like to see the other exercise too with it?
No, it's okay. What are you doing?